So hey guys, once again welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to treat easily an injured bird at home. So let's get started. So a few days back I had purchased an African lovebird. As you guys can see, his leg was injured while the time I had purchased it. So I decided to treat him at my home on my own. So to treat him I used some tulsi leaves as they are readily available in my backyard. If you guys don't have tulsi leaves at your home, you can purchase it easily from any market nearby. Tulsi leaves are very cheap and act as a great disinfectant and has great medicinal use in case of birds and animals. We would also need some neem leaves as they are also a great source of disinfectant and has no side effects on birds. Once you get both the leaves, wash it thoroughly to make sure that there are not any kinds of pesticides present on it. Once you are done with washing the leaves, add some water to the leaves and heat it for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. Make sure to stir the leaves so that the water and the leaves mix properly. We should approximately heat the water until the color of the water almost turns like this. Now let the water cool down completely. Now grab a clean pair of cotton as shown and hold your bird properly in a warm cloth. Now take the cotton and soak it inside the tulsi and neem water properly and now apply it gently to the area where the bird is injured. Make sure to clean the injured area properly with the cotton so that the bird does not has any more infections. And if your bird is not hand tamed, make sure that you treat your bird at the night time as the birds are less active and will easily let you treat them. Clean the wound of the bird completely with the help of the cotton and the water. Make sure that you have hold the bird properly as it will try to bite you and African lovebirds can bite very hard. Once you're done cleaning the wound, you should buy a betadine solution which is easily available in any nearby medical store. I will also be providing its Amazon link in the description given below. Its approximate cost is 104 rupees. Pour the betadine solution in the cap or any other utensils and again grab a pair of cotton and soak it inside the betadine solution and apply it to the wound similar to the neem water. Make sure that you apply it completely to the wounded place. This betadine solution may cause some itching and also some burning sensation in the bird, so make sure that you have grabbed the bird properly so that it won't bite you back. Apply the solution completely and thoroughly to the wounded place and make sure that you don't leave any wounded place behind. Once done applying the solution, make sure that you leave the bird in a separate cage and away from all the other birds so that it can rest properly and no other birds will disturb him. Next day, buy a Resolve powder from any medical store nearby. It will cost around 25 rupees. As you guys can see, the bird's leg is showing a little signs of improvement and the bird is still active, so it's a good sign. Now again grab the bird and repeat the same procedure with the neem water on the wounded area. Once it is done, grab the Resolve powder and sprinkle it on the wounded area of the bird. But make sure that you do this procedure only if the wound of the bird is healing. If the wound of the bird is not yet healing, you have to again repeat the procedure with the betadine solution on the bird. Sprinkle the resolve powder properly on the bird's wounded area. It will help the bird a lot to recover more. Once done, again let the bird rest for a day. You guys can see just in 3 days how the bird is fully recovered and playful as before. The bird's leg is fully recovered and now he can walk and climb properly with the help of the treatment. So hope you guys found this video helpful and hope that you guys can easily treat your injured bird with the help of this video. I'll be uploading such more aquarium and birds related videos very soon. So please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned.